LMW introduces Intelligent Catalogue System in Customer Portal. Benefits. Figure search. Product group-wise and series-wise, the models are listed and select the required model. Model search. Key in the first 3 digits of the machine model and select from the listed models. Keyword search. Input keyword or drawing number or specification number and get the drawing numbers related to the same. Add directly to cart or check in the virtual catalog for verification and add it to cart. All options simplified. New part search and part search. Key in the description like belt, gear in the above search screen and get the list of belts and gears used in the particular machine model, select the required and add it to the cart. Favorites. Add the frequently required catalog page as favorites and use it quickly for creating quote. Quick catalog page search. Using the same, the user can navigate to the required catalog page on ease and continue to add items to the cart and move to another catalog page on ease. Cart option. After adding the items to the cart, the same can be saved by creating name and can be used for the future purpose. N number of carts can be created and used for future quick ordering purpose. Excel template loader. Create cart, load it, alter it, create quote on ease. Add items to the cart using our simple Excel loading template. Download the template, input drawing number and quantity, load it and generate quote.